right, let's move on. A landmark trial, a potential penalty of up to $1.4 trillion, and questions over whether Meta's core business model itself could be forced to change. Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, is now facing a massive legal battle over the allegations that its platforms were designed to keep young users hooked despite the risks.
For years, Meta has built its own business on one simple formula: keep users engaged, scroll more, stay longer, see more content. But now that very model is under the scanner. Meta is facing a landmark trial in a federal court in Oakland, California, after a bipartisan coalition of 29 states accused the tech giant of designing Facebook and Instagram to encourage compulsive use among young people. The states allege Meta misled the public about the safety of its platforms and improperly collected and used the data of children under the age of 13, and the stakes are massive. Meta has warned that it could face penalties of as much as $1.4 trillion if it loses. The states are reportedly seeking around $200 billion in damages, but the case could cost Meta far more than money. The lawsuit also seeks changes to features such as infinite scrolling, a key part of the engagement machine that keeps users on its apps and generates advertising impressions.
Well, California Attorney General Rob Bonta said in a press conference, in fact, that Meta deliberately made Facebook and Instagram features addictive for children and knew that young social media users' mental health would suffer as a result. Take a listen to what he said.
Meta has designed and deployed a dangerous product with dangerous features that they knew would create excessive use and compulsive use by children. They knew their product was dangerous, and they lied to the public. They lied to Congress.
The state's first witness has delivered damning testimony. Former Meta engineering director Arturo Bejar alleged that CEO Mark Zuckerberg fostered a culture where growth and engagement took priority over child safety. He said product changes could happen quickly when Zuckerberg made them a priority. Bejar also criticized Meta's safety tools, calling one feature that reminds users to take a break designed to fail because it is not the default or the default setting and can be easily ignored.
However, Meta denies these allegations. The trial, remember, comes at a tough time for Meta. Its shares are already under pressure over heavy spending on artificial intelligence, with the stock down 17% this year. The 6-week trial could now become the biggest legal test yet of social media's impact on children. However, this is not just about a fine for Meta. The bigger question is whether a court could force the company to change the very features that power Facebook and Instagram's billion-dollar advertising machine. And if that happens, this trial could change much more than Meta's balance sheet.